You still think that losing desire after 60 is a normal part of getting old? But what if I told you the problem isn't your testosterone, it's something you can find right in your refrigerator? Have you ever felt like you're not yourself anymore, with no feelings, no want, even though you're healthy on paper? Have you tried medication but still feel empty inside, as if the blood just isn't flowing where it needs to? The truth is, it's the lack of nitric oxide, the compound that opens up blood vessels, that is causing millions of American men to gradually lose connection with themselves. And the good news is, all you have to do is eat the right 3 natural foods at the right time, and the flow can return. The feeling will return too. In this video only, you will discover why medication isn't working as well as it used to, 3 foods that can naturally replace Viagra, and a small trick before you go for a walk that can help wake you up in just a few days. Welcome to Top Senior Health. I'm Dr. Sophia, an endocrinologist who has spent over 20 years researching the changes inside a man's body after 60, and here I won't tell you what you should have known 10 years ago. I'll only tell you the truth. Without further ado, let's start with fact number 1. Desire isn't lost because of testosterone. It's because blood isn't flowing to the right places. For a long time, we've been led to believe that when desire disappears, the main culprit is a drop in male hormones. But here's a truth few people dare to tell. You can have enough testosterone in your blood and still feel nothing. The reason is, hormones only work if they get to where they need to go. And that, in turn, depends entirely on blood flow. No flow, no connection. No connection, no feeling. No feeling, everything stops, even if you're alive. According to research from the University of Exeter, just 2 hours after drinking beet juice, the concentration of nitric oxide, the compound that widens blood vessels, increases by over 21%. Doctors don't tell you this. They write prescriptions, but your blood doesn't listen to prescriptions. It only listens to food. Let me tell you about Larry, 68 from Minnesota. He came to me in a state of collapse. He said, "I don't feel anything anymore. I feel like a ghost." He used to think it was because he was too old, but tests showed his testosterone was normal. After 2 weeks of adding beets, watermelon, and arugula, Larry came back. His eyes were shining. "I'm not going to talk about anything delicate, but I feel like I'm back. No medication needed." And he said something I'll never forget. "I thought I had lost my wife, but it turns out I just lost the path to her." Desire doesn't disappear, it just gets stuck. And the key to freeing it is blood. Fact number 2. Watermelon isn't just a summer fruit. It's a natural red pill for men after 60. The surprising truth is it might be the only thing you need to reawaken the flow that has been dormant after 60. In that juicy red flesh is a compound called citrulline, a miraculous amino acid that can be converted into nitric oxide, helping to widen the walls of blood vessels. What's interesting is the white rind right under the red flesh, the part most people throw away, contains twice the amount of citrulline as the flesh. I once met Malcolm, 70, who had tried every kind of supplement, but always felt empty. I just said one thing. Try juicing the white part of the watermelon rind, drink 1 glass in the afternoon before you go for a walk. 3 days later, he sent an email with the subject line, "Thank you, doctor. For the first time in 9 years, I feel truly alive." Watermelon isn't just a fruit. It's a natural biological key that helps blood flow to the place that makes you feel like you're still alive. Fact number 3. Beets. The red battery that opens up blood vessels in just 2 hours. In the cold ground, beets absorb minerals and nitrate, a precursor to nitric oxide. And when they enter your body, they release a flow, widening the small capillaries that pills often can't reach. A study at the University of Exeter showed drinking 1 glass of beet juice can increase nitric oxide by up to 21% in just 2 hours. That not only improves blood circulation to the heart, but also to the genital area, where men over 60 often have silent blockages. Thomas, 65 years old, didn't believe in silly food stuff, but he came to me after experiencing a prolonged feeling of powerlessness. I gave him a simple exercise. Juice fresh red beets, mix with a little orange juice and a few slices of ginger, and drink it before going for an evening walk. The second week, he came back. He placed a picture on my desk, him and his wife, sitting together in the sunset. "I don't need to explain anything more, do I, doctor?" he said. Beets aren't a pill. They're a biological battery, helping blood vessels open up, helping feelings revive, and helping you get back to yourself. Fact number 4, arugula. This spicy green is more potent than Viagra at naturally improving blood flow. Arugula, or rocket, is a lightly spicy leafy green, often overlooked. But in nutritional medicine, it's known as the silent nitric oxide awakener. According to a study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, arugula contains a higher amount of natural nitrate than even beets by weight. It doesn't just widen blood vessels, it also helps maintain the elasticity of the vessel walls, which is extremely important for men over 60. I once met Raymond, 73, a former naval officer who had quietly retreated to a single chair in the corner of the house. We started with the simplest thing, replacing his daily iceberg salad with arugula mixed with olive oil, eaten every day before 5 p.m. After 3 weeks, Raymond not only slept better, but also started proactively taking his wife for walks every evening. He said, "I thought I was past my prime, but it turns out I just hadn't let the blood flow in the right direction." Arugula isn't just a vegetable. It's a prelude to the circulatory system, helping to awaken the silent areas in a man's body after 60. Eating at the right time. Waking up your biological flow without any pills. Watermelon, beets, arugula. These 3 seemingly simple foods can become the activating trio for the natural flow in a man's body over 60. But there's one important thing most people overlook: the timing of eating. It's not just about eating it. Eating it at the wrong time, the blood won't go to the right place. Eating it at the right time, your body returns to the way it was when you were young. When is the golden time? Before light exercise, 45 to 60 minutes. Eat a plate of arugula salad or drink a glass of beet juice before you go for a walk or any light activity. Movement will pull blood to the areas that need it, and the nitrate will act as a guide, helping to widen the capillaries. The afternoon, 3 to 5 p.m. This is when nitric oxide is most active. A cold watermelon smoothie or beets mixed with oranges will create an effect almost like irrigating the whole body. Do not eat after a heavy dinner or close to bedtime. Eating late will prevent the nitrate from being absorbed optimally because the body prioritizes digestion over circulation. Larry, the man who regained his feelings after 12 years of being disconnected, shared a small secret. "I put a glass of beet juice on my wooden table every afternoon, and I remember that as long as the blood is still flowing, I'm still myself." You don't need a pill to feel like a man, you just need to let the blood return, and your body will know what to do. Desire isn't lost because of age, it's because of a lack of flow. 3 simple foods, watermelon, beets, arugula, can reopen your natural blood vessels. Eating at the right time, before exercise, in the afternoon when your stomach is light, is the most effective way to reactivate yourself. Don't let the silence of your body make you think that you're past your prime. Inside you, the blood is always ready to flow again if you know how to awaken it. You don't need to turn back time. You just need to return to the strong, vibrant, and loving person you once were. Don't forget to subscribe to the Top Senior Health channel to get more of the latest videos on men's health after 60, the hidden truths, the untold stories, and the natural ways to recover that you deserve to know.